This is a 2017 Toyota Tacoma with a 2.7 liter engine. We'll be doing an oil change, so let's lift it up. Now before I lift it up, I like to open the oil cap here just to help with drainage. So let me go ahead and do that and lift her up. All right, so now that we're under the vehicle, go to the oil pan here, number 14 socket. We're gonna move the drain plug, let the oil drain out. So now where that oil drains, we're gonna go ahead and replace the drain plug gasket here. Just pull it off. I guess I have both my hands, but we're gonna go ahead and pull that off and replace it. So now while I let that slowly drain out, you can go ahead and remove the oil filter right there. Just twist it off and let that drain a little bit and install the new one. So I've gone ahead and installed the new oil filter, clean up a little bit of the oil spill. Now with my drain plug and my new drain plug gasket, I'm gonna go ahead and just thread this into the oil pan here, all the way. And then I'm gonna torque that down to 28 foot-pounds. So now we're back on top and we're gonna fill her up with a little less than 6.5 quarts. So after we fill the oil, we're gonna turn the vehicle into the on position. Make sure this is on trip A, so just keep hitting this until trip A pops up. Then we're gonna turn the vehicle off. I'm gonna put this here. We're gonna hold down the trip button here. And when you do so, you're gonna, once you hold it down, you're gonna start, or not start, just put the key on. And you will see the maintenance light flashing like that with little symbols at the bottom there. We're doing that. And that will reset your maintenance light. Just let go. And now I'm gonna turn the vehicle off, restart it, and now the maintenance light should be gone. There you are. So that's how you change the oil in the Tacoma. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.